Bullish ADA cost forecast 2023 is 42 cents to 56 cents. Cardano cost could likewise reach $1 soon. Bearish ADA cost expectation for 2023 is 25 cents. In Cardano cost forecast 2023, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, RVOL, and other data about ADA to examine the future development of the digital currency. What is Cardano? Cardano is the local badge of the Cardano blockchain. This manageable blockchain utilizes the evidence of stake agreement instrument, Ouroboros. This third-age blockchain at first existed as a Layer 1 arrangement. In the long run, the Layer 2 update, Hydra, was coordinated onto the current organization in late 2021. Cardano has been worked as a redesigned adaptation of Ethereum's Shrewd Agreements organization. In addition, it plans to scale the permissionless idea of the DeFi space and help the mission of banking the unbanked. Cardano Value Forecast 2023. Cardano stands firm on the 7th foothold on CoinGecko at this moment. ADA Cost Forecast 2023 is made sense of underneath with an everyday time period. The above diagram of Cardano spread out a rising triangle design. The climbing triangle is a trademark example of a continuous bullish pattern. This triangle is shaped by a level upper trend line that interfaces the highs and the lower trend line that associates the rising lows. Assuming that the pattern breakout at the obstruction level, the cost will keep on climbing in this rising triangle design. Right now, Cardano is in the scope of 37 cents. On the off chance that the example proceeds, the cost of ADA could arrive at the obstruction levels of 36 cents and 45 cents. On the off chance that the pattern turns around, the cost of ADA might tumble to 33 cents and 30 cents. Cardano backing and obstruction levels. The graph beneath shows the help and opposition levels of Cardano. From the above everyday time period, we can plainly decipher the accompanying as the obstruction and backing levels for Cardano. The graphs show that Cardano has played out a bullish pattern throughout the last month. On the off chance that this pattern proceeds, ADA could run alongside the bulls, overwhelming its obstruction level at 56 cents. As needs be, in the event that the financial backers betray crypto, the cost of Cardano could fall to nearly 25 cents, a negative sign. Cardano Value Forecast 2023. RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume of Cardano is displayed in the graph underneath. It is a sign of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some undefined time frame from the past exchanging volume. As of now, the RVOL of ADA lies underneath the end line, showing frail members in the latest thing. Additionally, the moving normal of Cardano is displayed in the graph above. Remarkably, the Cardano cost lies over 50 MAMA, so it is upturn. As of now, ADA has entered a bullish state. Thusly, there is plausible of an inversion pattern of ADA whenever. In the meantime, the overall strength record of the ADA is 59.28. This implies that Cardano is in an almost overbought state. Notwithstanding, this implies a significant value inversion of ADA might happen in the impending days. Along these lines, brokers need to painstakingly exchange. Cardano Value Forecast 2023, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to take a gander at the typical directional record of Cardano. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The pointer is the normal of the growing cost range values. This framework endeavors to gauge the strength of cost development in the positive and negative headings utilizing DMI markers with ADX. The above diagram addresses the ADX of Cardano. At present, the ADX of ADA lies in the scope of 23.9804 and hence, it demonstrates a frail pattern. The above diagram likewise addresses the general unpredictability record of Cardano. RVI estimates the consistent deviation of cost changes throughout some undefined time frame. The RVI of ADA lies over 50, showing high instability. Truth be told, the RSI of Cardano is at 59.28, hence affirming a potential sell signal. Correlation of ADA with BTC, ETH. The underneath outline shows the cost correlation between Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cardano. From the above outline, it tends to be deciphered that ETH, BTC, and ADA are moving in a comparable pattern. This demonstrates that when the cost of BTC increments or diminishes, the cost of ETH and ADA additionally increment or lessening individually. Cardano Value Expectation 2024 to 2030. Various variables are considered while estimating costs, including volume changes, cost varieties, market cycles, and comparative coins. How about we anticipate the cost of Cardano somewhere in the range of 2024 and 2030? Cardano Value Forecast 2024. With a few redesigns in the organization, Cardano could enter a bullish direction. On the off chance that the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, ADA could revitalize to hit $3 by 2024. Cardano value expectation 2025. If Cardano supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among financial backers for the following 3 years, ADA would revitalize to hit $6. Cardano value expectation 2026. If Cardano supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among financial backers for the following 4 years, ADA would energize to hit $8. Cardano value expectation 2027. If Cardano supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among financial backers for the following 5 years, ADA would mobilize to hit $12. Cardano value expectation 2028. If Cardano holds up serious areas of strength for and as a superior venture choice for the following 6 years in the midst of the patterns in the exceptionally unstable crypto market, by driving huge cost rallies, ADA would hit $15 in 2028. Cardano value expectation 2029. Assuming that financial backers run in and keep on putting down their wagers on Cardano, it would observe significant spikes. ADA could hit $19 by 2029. Cardano value expectation 2030. With more prominent headways in the Cardano biological system, the crypto local area could keep on putting resources into ADA for the following 8 years and drive huge cost rallies for the token. Thus, Cardano could hit $21 by 2030. And with non-stop upgrades in the Cardano organization, we can say that 2023 is a decent year for ADA. Hence, the bullish value expectation of Cardano in 2023 is 56 cents. Then again, the negative value expectation of Cardano cost expectation for 2023 is 25 cents. Moreover, with the progressions and moves up to the Cardano environment, the presentation of ADA would assist with arriving at over its ongoing all-time high of $3.09 very soon. However, it could likewise reach $1 assuming the financial backers accept that ADA is a wise interest in 2023. 1. What is Cardano? Cardano is the local digital currency of Cardano. Cardano is a shrewd agreement put together blockchain working with respect to the evidence of stake agreement sent off in 2017. 2. Where could you at any point buy Cardano? Cardano has been recorded on numerous crypto trades which include Binance, Coinbase Trade, KuCoin, OKX, and Bitfinex. 3. Will Cardano come to another ATH soon? With the continuous turns of events and overhauls inside the Cardano stage, ADA has a high chance of arriving at its ATH soon. 4. What is the ongoing all-time high of Cardano? On September 2, 2021, Cardano arrived at its new all-time high of $3.09. 5. Is Cardano a wise interest in 2023? Cardano is by all accounts one of the top acquiring cryptographic forms of money this year. As per the kept accomplishments of Cardano in the beyond couple of months, ADA is viewed as a wise interest in 2023. 6. Will Cardano reach $1? Cardano is one of the dynamic cryptos that keeps on keeping up with its bullish state. In the end, in the event that this bullish pattern proceeds, Cardano will hit $1 soon. 7. What will be Cardano cost by 2024? Cardano cost is supposed to reach $4 by 2024. 8. What will be Cardano cost by 2025? Cardano cost is supposed to reach $6 by 2025. 9. What will be Cardano cost by 2026? Cardano cost is supposed to reach $8 by 2026. 10. What will be Cardano cost by